Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. Before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The project we're going to be talking about today is called SassyShark. Now, SassyShark is a very unique NFT that's coming out right now. SassyShark is a collection of 10,000 unique hand-drawn NFTs on the Cardano blockchain. Each one contains a specific set of features that makes them impeccably sassy, and we're going to go over their white paper in a second, but I want to show you their website. I want to show you how unique these NFTs and obviously why these NFTs have such a huge impact. Now, before we do that, the main important thing to keep in mind is their Twitter and their Discord, which obviously we're going to go in a second, but you have to make sure that you go through their Twitter and Discord because that is where the main information is going to be. Now, they have their mission and their roadmap. So basically, their goal is to create a sensible NFT and a sustainable Cardano ecosystem that has a positive impact on the sea life and to raise ocean awareness. The first one is create original ideas, design and concepts, and obviously make the initial character and development with the traits. You have the website developed for the website base and the marketing to do paid advertisement and social and promotion of their brand, the vision and the mission and the communities, contests and giveaways, and the initial launch with the minting of 10,000 SassySharks NFTs on January 31st, and obviously the NFT utilities, introducing the SassyShark holders benefits and a decentralized charity and social responsibilities initiative, obviously where there's different NGOs that they've picked, and obviously the future donations to those NGOs are going to go to, and partnerships. So basically you can see the amount of strategy development that they have to put in, and obviously they want to make sure that this is going to be the next big thing that's going to come out. But the main thing is obviously it's not just about making money, it's not about having an NFT just for the sake of it, but it's actually giving back to society as well. So basically they have their merchandise, they have their overall and their future drops as well. Now, if you go down and the team, and this is something that is most important. If you're thinking about investing in any NFT for that matter, the most important thing to keep in mind is their team. Now, they have a really strong team and they have invested and they have been in the cryptocurrency and the crypto, and especially with the NFT, they have actually been following NFT since 2020, and they've flipped and held many NFTs over the year now. And obviously they understand what the trend is, they understand the space, they understand exactly what and who and how they're going to go about doing. You have your Daniel, you have James, you have Stephanie, meaning you have people who have that experience. And the art and design is actually done by a real artist, someone who has experience, who has a background, who has been doing art from a very young age. She has a very natural approach when it comes to developing designs and obviously bring that live into the NFT. I want to mention something about the team behind this particular SassyShark is the fact that they love the ocean. They're an outdoor fanatics. They want to give back to the planet, and obviously that is one of the main reasons they have kept that sense of social responsibility that they want to work with community and have through their NFTs and through this project. Now, this is one of the main reasons why this Cardano based NFT is very important. I'm going to go through their white paper right now before we go head over to the Twitter and Discord, and I want to show you. You click on the white paper over here. When you click on it, you'll get the whitelist, and obviously the introduction is something that captures their sense of adventure. So the SassyShark is an NFT project created by dreamer, artists, friends, and crypto investors, NFT collectors, and professionals to bring something unique and with a special twist to the Cardano NFT community. The original collection consists of 10,000 unique hand-drawn NFTs on the Cardano blockchain. Each one contains a specific set of features that makes them impeccably sassy. Each artwork is unique and designed with various permutations and combinations of a wide variety of traits. And obviously you can see the amount of life that has gone into these NFTs. And obviously the launch, which I'm going to go in a second, is going to be 10,000 that are going to come out. And once 10,000 are minted, that is it, nothing more. And obviously this is their policy and their ID. You can check over here. The launch is going to be on January 31st, 2022. So please mark that date on your calendar. That is something really big, and I feel that this particular NFT has the potential to actually blow out every single other NFT out of the water. So literally keep an eye out for this particular NFT. Their vision and their mission Blockchain, which is beautiful. Their goal is to create an innovative, community-driven NFT, which obviously is something you will not find in any other team that they're thinking about the community and society. These particular guys are on the Cardano ecosystem and the positive impacts that life, sea, and ocean preservation takes place. So basically, to achieve that, they believe reinvesting the proceeds of the CNFTs sales to the community, the Cardano ecosystem, innovate how charity is done, and fund their future ventures, and building a highly engaged, inclusive, supportive community that thrives on empowering each other, becoming pioneers in providing creative utilities and innovation to the NFT, supporting and empowering those who are new to the Cardano NFTs to learn more and become part of the Cardano NFT ecosystem, and providing a shared ecosystem of highly sought out, innovative CNFTs or Cardano projects through their collaborations, and innovating the charity industries by helping non-profit organizations implementing Cardano blockchain and making the first donation in ADA to these organizations. So basically, this is your chance to get early onto this NFT. And if you've missed the blue chip projects on Ethereum, this is something that is an opportunity you're going to get in Cardano. And the best thing about Cardano, NFTs are exploding, and that is a really good signal right now. So to invest in this particular, and the fee on the Cardano is really, really low. So it's really cheap to actually mint it and doing transaction on it, especially with the delay in Ethereum 2.0 is giving a huge advantage to the project with proof of stake already implemented, and people are going to be looking for alternatives, and this is the next big alternative that you're going to get. So please keep an eye out for this. Now, the reason why to choose Cardano, basically the main reason that Cardano is the people's money, and this community-centric approach is highly inclusive of monetary system that offers the same opportunity to anyone worldwide, which is missing in other platforms. So Cardano actually gives you that platform, and specifically by choosing Cardano as the largest cryptocurrency using proof of stake protocol, a greener alternative to proof of work consensus mechanism. As a shark lover and ocean lovers, we want our ecosystems to thrive on Cardano as it embraces this. So basically, this is the main reason behind it. And I've already spoken about the roadmap, and you can see by their whitelist exactly that how clear and how particular they are from where they are and where they're heading. Any team that understands the goal that they need to get to and how to achieve that, they are the people that we need to look out for. And obviously this particular team and SassyShark is definitely that project, that NFT that has that. And the benefits of holding a SassyShark is obviously you will get access to monthly challenges with ADA rewards, ability to vote on charities with royalty funds which are donated, limited airdrops during special calendar, entry to their dedicated metaverse hangout, access to their second drop and Sassy breeding incubator, merch drop collaboration, CNFT collaboration, and whitelist and give it. Meaning you can just imagine the amount of giveaways and the amount of engagement that SassyShark are bringing to the table for anyone that gets that NFT in their hands. So basically, that is the main reason I feel that they're absolutely brilliant. And their social responsibility is just a cherry on top for it, because they really believe that SassyShark, which was founded with the purpose of raising ocean awareness and raising funds so that they can donate it back to the charities and make a positive impact. If you have that kind of mentality, if any team, if any project has that kind of mentality, you can know for a fact how much they actually are going to put an effort into their NFTs, into their systems to make sure that they are a success. And obviously this is a decentralized charity initiative that they're looking at. And first and most important thing, that 10% of the initial collection of sales of their projects will be given to Sea Life charities, which will they announce what charity is going to be at their launch. So keep an eye out for this. And basically this is the main idea behind the whole system of the SassyShark, is engaging communities, engaging anyone that is buying that NFT, being a part of that family. And being part of the family is being part of their charities, being part of giving back to society. And you can always feel that having that NFT, you are actually giving back to your community. And the future of SassyShark is something which is quite nice. The SassyShark is much more than a CNFT art project. They say we have hopes and plans to build a SassyShark ecosystem for interactive and utility, community rewards, and growth and collaboration with different brands. And we want people to experience the difference how things work on Cardano. And we want the community to help dictate and determine which feature we should bring on and focus on next. So you guys will be heavily involved in the future of SassyShark. So basically that is the main reason this particular NFT is very, very different. Now I want to head over to their Twitter. I want to show you their Twitter. Their Twitter is quite nice. I really believe that they have really invested into their Twitter. They have 2,897 followers, and they have, I want to follow this right now, and they're going to have 2,898 followers. So I am that lucky 2,898th follower of this particular SassyShark NFT. Now, if you go down, there's a lot of information, there are a lot of interaction. They are continuously making sure that they're providing information about their NFTs, about their project, about this particular amazing SassyShark. So I highly suggest you to go and follow them on Twitter, and that is where you're going to get all the live updates about. Besides that, what you need to do is that you need to go on their Discord. They have 3,427 members, and right now 1,102 members are online, and I'm going to increase the number right now. So this is their Discord. Obviously they have 3,223 sharks right now with 29 whitelets, and when it's going to be minted, and the price for the mint price is going to be 35 ADA. And obviously they have their welcome, their startup, their rules, their announcements, and over here you can see how many people are online right now. This is a place where you're going to find a lot of information about SassySharks. So I highly suggest you come on Discord, get yourself enrolled onto their Discord, and you can get a lot of information from them. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop a message in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Until next video, take care.